At the 17th IDEF Defense Industry Exhibition in Istanbul, Turkish manufacturer FNSS took the spotlight by unveiling the Kaplan ADA, a next-generation tracked air defense vehicle outfitted with the advanced Teber-2 TMT turret. This development marks a pivotal move in Turkey's broader efforts to build an independent and highly responsive short-range air defense (SHORAD) ecosystem tailored for modern battlefield dynamics. With the Kaplan ADA, Turkey is demonstrating its determination to field homegrown, multi-domain combat systems capable of neutralizing both aerial and surface threats. This system fills a critical operational gap by providing maneuver formations with direct, mobile air defense coverage, especially vital in conflict zones where drone swarms, low-flying aircraft, and precision-guided munitions dominate the threat landscape. Engineered specifically to combat emerging airborne dangers like unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, helicopters, and low-flying cruise missiles, the Kaplan ADA combines agility, firepower, and digital targeting capabilities. The Teber-2 TMT turret is armed with dual 30mm cannons and missile launchers that can simultaneously engage multiple incoming threats. Enhanced with automatic tracking and high-grade electro-optics, the turret can employ airburst munitions, drastically increasing hit probability against elusive and small aerial targets. The Kaplan ADA is based on FNSS's modular Kaplan platform, which has a proven track record in reconnaissance and anti-tank roles. Building on platforms like the Kaplan 10 and Kaplan 20, this air defense variant benefits from extensive Turkish research and development, including close collaboration with defense electronics leader Aselsan. The Teber-2 TMT itself is a combat-refined evolution of previous turret systems, now upgraded for faster processing and precision integration. One of the Kaplan ADA's standout advantages is its operational flexibility. Unlike traditional SHORAD systems that are either towed or semi-static, this vehicle can operate in sync with armored columns across rugged terrain, urban centers, and coastal environments. Its lightweight build and compact design allow it to outperform heavier systems like Russia's Panzer S1 in terms of maneuverability and battlefield responsiveness. Where legacy platforms such as Germany's Gepard once fell short due to analog limitations, Kaplan ADA leverages a fully digital infrastructure for seamless battlefield awareness and command integration. Compared to South Korea's K-30 Biho, the Turkish system also boasts superior target acquisition and fire control efficiency. On the strategic front, the Kaplan ADA serves as a frontline shield against modern aerial threats such as loitering munitions and tactical drones, weapon types that have transformed warfare in Ukraine, Libya, and the Caucasus. Its mobility and autonomy are set to significantly strengthen Turkey's air defense posture, complementing existing systems in a layered strategy and decreasing dependency on foreign platforms like the US-made M-SHORAD or Europe's Skyranger 30. The unveiling of the Kaplan ADA at IDEF 2025 isn't just a technological showcase, it's a statement of intent. FNSS has effectively fused proven mobility architecture with next-gen air defense capability, presenting a powerful, domestically engineered alternative for militaries facing escalating aerial threats. As regional tensions intensify and demand for versatile SHORAD platforms grows, the Kaplan ADA positions Turkey as a serious contender in the global defense export arena.